Hello everyone. In this video I am talking to you about the fact that you need to buy land and wait. You don't need to wait to buy land. When you buy land and wait, you buy the land cheap and wait for it to appreciate, to sell it at a higher price. But if you go ahead and wait to buy land, that means you are going to buy the land at an expensive and exorbitant price, because those other people have bought the land when it was cheap and they waited for it to appreciate, and then they are selling to you. I've seen videos of people and influencers and people that teach how to make money. There's one coach from Ghana teaching people that they should not buy land. Some people went to an uncompleted building and said that look at this place now. This person now wants to sell this uncompleted building, that he tied money down all along. He should have used the money for business. Not everybody can go into real sector business like that. Not everybody can go into online business. One area of business that people are going into is real estate. So if somebody bought a land, we bought that land that the person was showing with the blocks, they have reached lintel level and they want to sell it. The person bought the land maybe at 100,000 naira. The person bought the blocks when he was building up to that lintel level, maybe at 70 naira or 100 naira. Whereas today, that kind of block also is going for 300 naira per one or 400 naira per one. But when he built it up to that point, it was 100 naira or 70 naira. Now, the land have appreciated, the area also have developed. So the amount is going to sell that property today is going to be a big shock to even to the individual that owns it, because it's going to be a big relief. You just put in some few thousands or millions, and now he's making multiple folds. So somebody have built up to a particular extent and left the area and then is reselling. It's not a big deal. It shows the person is an investor. You know, I have a property somewhere in the bush where I live, where I reside, and I'm managing that property for a brother of mine and some other friends of mine. And then the property is in the bush, and we have been looking for tenants to rent it for some time. And people have advised the individual that own the house to sell it, and we have been looking for buyer. I interacted with an individual recently, and he was telling me his own experience. He said, I should not worry. When the people that will rent the house will come, you are not the one that will say you want to rent it out. They are the one that will be looking for you. Anywhere you are, they'll be looking for you to rent it out. They'll be looking for you whether you want to rent it out. They'll be looking for you that they want to buy the house and the land. So you buy land and wait. You don't wait to buy land. So this is where I'm going to stop for now. I want you to take action. And if you want to buy land, or you want to buy a house, you want to buy hostels, you want to buy buildings, filling stations, whether for lease or for rent, and you want to buy outrightly in Ilorin, I reside in Ilorin, contact me and I am going to handle all the necessary paper documentation, and I'm going to make sure that you get a good deal on anything that you want to buy. Dr. Olumide is my name. I'm your host on this YouTube channel. Please like this video, share the link of this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment and ask your question in the comment section below. I'll be expecting your call or your message on WhatsApp. And then before then, as you're deciding on how you are going to go about raising the money to buy the land and to own your own property, this video popping up by the side on this channel is the next you need to see now. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.